In this video, we're going to look at how to sum values from a row using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a list of fruit and vegetables and its quantity for 4 shops. And what we want to do here is to simply sum the amount of each product in all of the 4 shops. We can achieve this by using the sum function. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell G3. Equals sum, open parentheses. And all we need to do here is to select the range of cells that capture the values that we want to sum. In this case, we want to total the quantity in all of the shops for oranges, which is captured in one row. So we'll select the range from cell C3 through to F3, which is captured in one row, followed by a closing parentheses, and then press the Enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the total number of oranges in all of the shops. If we want Excel to calculate the sum of each product in all of the shops, we can simply click on the cell where the sum of oranges has been calculated. Hover over to the bottom right corner of the cell and drag the formula down the rows for each of the fruit and vegetables. You can see that Excel is now summing all of the values by each row. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.